Well, Louisiana Senator Bill Cassidy says the Senate's decision to subpoena the CEO of Steward Health, which owns Glenwood Regional Medical Center, is just the first step to preventing mismanagement of this and other hospitals. He says the committee plans to hold Dr. Ralph De La Torre responsible for the problems.
My goal is also to make sure that residents in West Monroe and around the country that are served by Steward hospitals receive the care they need, and to get to the bottom of how the problem occurred to make sure it doesn't happen again in West Monroe or any place.
Dr. De La Torre has been asked to appear before the committee in September. A court hearing tomorrow will consider if AHS South, the sole bidder to buy Glenwood Regional Medical Center, will be allowed to move forward with the deal. Steward entered the Chapter 11 bankruptcy process in May. All right, well, you can stream all of our coverage on Steward Healthcare and Glenwood Regional Medical Center on our YouTube channel and our website.